Uh, talk clear when you speak, paper talk, cripple talk, ayy, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things, ayy. Trust go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Big coin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings, ayy. Articulate my moves, every sentence clean wings. You mumble through your talk, can't pronounce simple things. Price action, telling stories, candlesticks got strings. I don't chase, I let the market come and bring the things. You say ain't got none, I say tighten things. Grammar sloppy, just like how you manage things. Ay, I risk 1%, discipline brings things. While you gamble, rent money, hoping luck brings things. Cold wallet lock, private keys got rings. Security first, paranoia brings things. Ay, laughing at you talking, can't structure things. While I structure entries, exit scaling things. You scream moon too early, ruin good things. I wait for confirmation before I do things. Order blocks, respect and patience brings things. Ay, silence make money louder than your things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Ay, I don't yell when I speak, I enunciate things. Clear talk, reflect clear money things. You rush every word like you rush your trades things. Same impatience, always costing things. You say price gon' win, I say fix things. Rocker don't care how you bend things. Liquidity sweep, then reversal brings things. Or you buy tops and pray for things. I'm my bad sentences, not people of things. Just lazy talk habits and broken things. You type how you trade, full of missing things. No plan, no stops, just vibes and things. Bitcoin volatility brings swings. Heart rate up, still calm with things. While you panic, sell bottoms, I add things. Stack sats, quietly, long-term things. Speak sharp, trade sharp, move sharp, things. If you sound confused, you probably do things. Same chaos in your mouth and how you do things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Yeah. You ain't got no chicken wings. I don't flex cars, I flex correct things. Syntax clean like my ledger things. You misplace words like you misplace things. Yeah. Then blame the market for your things. I roast back, right? Keep it light things. Same way I roast bad in trees and things. You click by it and hope and clean the things. I wait for setups, discipline brings things. Talk reckless, wallet thin things. Talk precise, portfolio sings things. Every candle close, whispering things. Why you shop predictions? Loud things. In the day, numbers settle things. Truth don't care how you phrase things. Bitcoin don't listen to broken things. Only respect, structure, patience, things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Say it clear, stand tall, talk like kings. Chart sprint, true cut lies with strings. Eat good things, sharp, elevate things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you argue over silly things. Bitcoin pay the rent, bought time, bought things. Crown locked in place, generational kings. You ain't got no chicken wings. Yeah.
That's right, guys. You ain't got no chicken wings. I'm on the treadmill, so the audio is messed up, of course. I still haven't got that fixed. Still working on it, but haven't really worked on it too much. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, a bingo and a bango. Bingo, bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. Here we go. Crypto bubbles on the daily. Man, we have some up, some down. Nothing too crazy. Hopefully the audio is not too crazy. I still haven't fixed it. I've been trying to fix it, and sound is great, but when I have the treadmill on, it's not. So still working on that. Crypto bubbles on the hourly time frame. Does this mean Bitcoin is going up? Maybe. Or if Bitcoin's going down, maybe it's time for these coins to not carry what Bitcoin's doing. We're not there yet. I don't think so. Let's look at the fear and greed index. We're at 23. We were. Now we're 20. We are down 1 point. Not sure where the mouth came on that, but we're at 20. Let's go to the liquidation heat map. Refresh the page. I'm going nice and slow today. Really, man, just work was work today. Oh my gosh. We did a whole bunch of stuff. So let's go to 0.5. Nope. 0.5 on the threshold. Come on, Joe. You can do it. There we go. Seriously? There we go. 0.5. We had the liquidation map on as well. We got Strayheart in the house. We got Shep in the house. What's going on, guys? So happy you guys are here. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. Let's see here. 24-hour time frame. Liquidation to the top side and to the bottom side. Nothing too crazy though. Let us look at not the price action. Not the price action. Don't know what that means. Go to a 12-hour time frame. Ooh, sexy. On the 12-hour, we have really nice levels of liquidation to the upside. 88.6 is our first kind of block. 88.7, 88.8. Nice liquidation block. But we have the same thing down here. 87, 86.9, 86.9, and 86.8. So we have a block to the downside and to the upside. What does this mean? Well, what it means to me is we cannot come up here without breaking a level. We cannot break to the downside without breaking this level. Yes, what's good? I said not the price action. The doom dooms. Yes. Very true. Very true. There's not a lot of liquidity in the market, not a lot of traders right now. Today is New Year's Eve. We are roughly 3 hours away from New Year's. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Let's do it. 3-day time frame. And today I'm not expecting a lot of people, just because, you know, people, possibly family, watching fireworks, all that fun stuff. One of my cats came inside. The other one was inside, but he was getting real crazy, and he started going outside. When I was in the city a couple years ago, I would always get worried. I was like, oh man, there's a lot of fireworks, and he's probably gonna get scared. And now I'm not in the city. I'm in a small town. I don't worry as much because there's not a lot that I'm aware of. Let's see here. 3-day. We have just liquidations, sporadic, you know, underneath the wicks, underneath kind of body closes, above wicks, above kind of body closes. So there's just being, so the market makers are literally creating liquidity when they're going up and down, just sideways action. They're creating all this liquidity to the upside and to the downside. And it's just a matter of where they want to take it. Let's go to the weekly. On the weekly for the giggles. Ooh. We had a bunch down here right at 86. And now we can see more building up to the upside. Right around 90.9, 90.6 as far as the price goes. So we're building a lot of liquidation up here because everybody's shorting. You know, we come up, we come down, we come up. People start shorting because, you know, it's a SFP or a whatever. And it's like, oh, we're at the top again. Let's short. And they start shorting, which would have been a great short. And they start putting the stop losses here and here. And then now it comes down. Now it starts going up. Oh, broke this level. Let's go it along. Let's go and put our stops here underneath this wick and a little bit lower. And so it's just building and building. Let us look at Clash. Ooh, so Clash came down. This level 0.01894. It's a level that it was kind of holding this level, or at least in the zone, but we didn't want it to break the level. It broke it, kind of broke above it, came down, kind of broke above it, came down, retested bearishly, not good, came down, came up, retested again bearishly, not good, Right now, it's just looking weak. And just like all the other coins, let's look at a Bitcoin. Looking at Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame. When the price action, this is what I like doing. And for those of you who've been watching the channel for a while, you know that what I do is I spend time on what we've thought might happen, and then versus what actually happened, versus what a lot of other traders out there do. They spend 20-30 minutes showing you what already happened, how you could have made money, what you should have done. And to me, that doesn't help anybody. Oh, look, we had a long wick reversal. This is when you short. Look, we had a long wick, but they don't show you this. Here's a long wick reversal. They don't show you this part because it didn't reverse. So they're teaching on long wick reversals. This doesn't apply to them. So they only show you what they want to show you. So you buy their course, their boot camp, their memberships, all that fun stuff. I show you what actually happens. So when the price was here, I did not think we were going to go down. I thought we'd go up to possibly come down, or maybe even possibly bounce on the bottom of our zone. Sure enough, what happened? Price went up. We didn't think it was going to go down. We thought price would go up. It did go up to around this level. We're seeing this level. It did come down to about this level, and then it went up. Now, granted, I'm thinking plan A is going to happen. However, we always have to have a plan B because anything can happen. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Sure enough, we came down, like we said here, to possibly come up. Now, when it came up here, I'm looking for a pullback. I don't want to see it just go to the moon. I want to see a pullback to about 50%, or at least 50% of this zone before trying to break out again. Sure enough, it went all the way up. What happened? Came down. I'm looking for a bounce here. Nope. A bounce here. Nope. Came all the way down. Not good. So now we look at this once again. Okay, possibly come up to pull back to go up. Sure enough, goes up, pulls back beautifully. We do not want it breaking 88,251. Now, of course, if you're in the VIP group, you're getting these updates when they need to happen. If you're in the Discord, you're getting the updates. If I re-record the 1 minute video, 3 minute video, 5 minute videos, then the Discord. Because for Discord, I have to re-record it, VWAP, beautiful. Let's go. Let's go. Now, I made a video. This, I believe it was this morning, and I mentioned hopefully we could pull back, and I would like to see it pull back. We could pull back, but I want to see it bounce. I don't want it to go into the zone. If it does go into the zone, it's fine, as long as it does not break 88,251. So even if it does come here, it's okay. I don't want it to. I want it to bounce here, to come up, do a lower high, which is fine. Pull back, don't break the low, and continue up. This is what I want to see. However, and I mentioned this in the video, if we break below this, not good, because more than likely we'll come down, maybe come up to the middle of this zone, then break the, not only the low, the pivot, but also break down below this box. Now, again, this did not happen when I was saying what might happen. If it does, if we get this bearish retest and this break of this, more than likely we'll come for this liquidity. What happened? We actually broke, and man, the market makers are so vicious. They just went all the way straight down, broke down below the box to take this liquidity, straight shot down. This is mean, really mean. Now, of course, I was in a long, I forgot where I got in. I think somewhere here. And my stop loss was to cover my, I don't think I took a first profit, but my stop loss was in profit to cover my fees and then some. I did like a 75x leverage. I think I got like 30%, which to me is not a win. Because if I'm doing 75x leverage, I want at least a 75%. So if I get 30%, I'm not happy with it. 20%, to me, those are failed trades. Even though I'm in the positive, even though I covered my fees, even though I made a little bit of money, to me, I treat that as a failed trade. That's just me though. Now, if we break below, and we did, and we start coming down, now what we're doing, it's not looking strong. Even though we're breaking this pivot, it's not looking strong. In my opinion, we can still do this number. We can still come down. So what I want to do is I want to concentrate on 88,251. So if we do this, if we come up to here, pull back, which is fine, maybe get on the anchor VWAP again. The blue lines, these are anchored VWAPs. To where we come down to here, we come up to the top of this zone, we pull back, and we find support on this level that we've been mentioning, 88,251. We come up to, again, this other anchored VWAP, possibly doing, we have a high, lower high, possibly doing another lower high before breaking up. This would be good. This would be good. Now, if we do this, if we come up, come down, break below this new pivot, which I did not think we were gonna, to me, I get amazed, really. I really do. Where, I have draw levels and everything else. But if we break below this, not good, guys, not good. And they could, and they meaning market makers, could come down and just take some of this liquidity down over here. We go over to the left. You can see we got areas here, areas here. There's areas where the market makers can take it at any moment, any moment. We got blue collar traders in the house. What's up, brother? Appreciate you, man, being here. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everybody. Shep, thank you, man. Sugar Heart, appreciate you guys. Everybody who's here watching, appreciate you. Now, if we come up and then we come down and maybe even up again, let me see. Up, down, maybe a little bit lower to here, then come up, then come down. Not good. Now notice that I have this to where I think we're going to come up before we do anything. And right now price is going up. So whenever I'm doing this analogy, thought process, you could be taking trades on this. Now, granted, I'm not going to be the one, who took the trade? Because I'm just talking of what might happen. Put sevens in the chat. Put 46 in the chat. Who got long? I don't do that. To me, like if I want to give a specific setup, I give you targets, I give you stop loss. But this is just my thought process. I think we're going to go up. Now, if I wanted to babysit this, then sure, we could trade it. I don't want to babysit it. So I just gave you my thought process of what might happen. To me, this is looking weak. So I would have to say, this is my plan A. Once again, my plan A. Let's put this as a yellow. My plan A. Lunar Beaches Crypto says, happy bingo bango new year. Well, happy bingo bango new year to you too, my friend. Bingo bangos to everybody. Yes. You get a bingo bango. You get a bingo bango. You guys are great. You guys are great. So right now we're taking our steps. We didn't do our steps yesterday. Yesterday, my monitors were messing up big time. And it would flicker and then it would go to another monitor and it was just crazy. And I messed with it for like an hour. It's like, you know what? I'm just going to go to my sit down desk. And we did the live stream there. And then the day before, I was super tired and I didn't get my steps in. So it was 2 days in a row. And today I was like, man, I'm tired. I said, it's good to have a habit but I don't want to have a habit of not doing my steps. So it's like, oh, let me just get on my steps. And whenever I say steps, it's my treadmill. And right now I got it low speed. What is it at? It is 1.2. No, it's a 1. Boring. But it's really cold in the house. I just got home like, what, at around 8:30 I got home. Really cold. I don't want to be like sweaty. So we're just doing some steps, you know, just kind of like steps at the beach. That's what we're doing. But this is my thought process. I think we're gonna go up. We'll see if we get rejected. 88,251. Pull back, and let's see if we go up or come down. Just because this doesn't look strong to me, I'm going with down. Not because of the liquidity that we saw or nothing like that. It doesn't look strong, and we're just constantly just in this. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out. Let's hide everything. Let's hide all the drawings and everything. You can just see here when we pulled back, we were thinking we're going to come up, down, not all the way down, but down, up, down, and continue to do this until about right here, our blue line. This is our trend line from the previous cycle. From the candle top to candle top, candle wick to candle wick. So it gives us this zone. So I'm thinking we're going to come up here, come down eventually, and we were doing it too. Then what happened? Well, we came down here, came up, came down, came up, came down. Now we start the sideways action, the macro, up, down, up, down. Joe, you're saying down when it's going up. You know what I mean? Down, up, down, up, down. And now this is the middle of this zone. We have a low, high, middle. Goes back to the high, breaks below the low or the middle, comes down. Now it's starting to do a range, and now it's doing a really tight range. If you had Bollinger Bands, they'd be really tight right now, very tight. And I don't trade Bollinger Bands, but that's what it's doing. It's just getting really, really tight. Again, we have our high, our low, and for the low, I like using the candle body closes, but I also see the wick, so I make it like a zone. And low, high, middle. Now this is our middle. Before this was our middle, but now it's our middle. And we can actually just, let's draw this. Let's hide all of our stuff. And I like doing this. I like hiding, I like drawing and then hiding it, and then just kind of looking at it from a different perspective. What did I do? Okay. And these are our where is it? Don't tell me we went to the bottom again. It's our fixed range volume profile. Okay, it's this. So let's get this, move it all the way up to the top. Come on. There we go. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click on this. So the little handles come out. Not sure if y'all can see that. We're going to click on this. So the little handle comes out, and we're just going to extend it all the way over. So now what it's doing is giving us new levels. I like zooming in. It's giving us new levels of our value area low. Try to get it as exact as possible. Our point of control out there. The more zoomed in, the better it is. And then our value area high. Now I can go and I can hide this. So my chart looks nice and clean. But what I also want to do, where did this come from? Come on, Joe, you rookie. Oh my gosh, look at all this junk. Man, this is on. Anyway, hopefully y'all know that I need to delete all this crap. Oh. Anyway, let's go ahead and hide this now. I know the box is really important to me. Okay, let's see here. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, let's make. I like the 4-hour time frame for this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a box. Make a box. Let's do the magnet tool. If y'all have any questions, let me know. So I'm gonna go from the high to the low, and I'm just doing the candle body closes. And let's go ahead and take this off. Let's do it in white. See this in white as well. Then what I'm gonna do, I guess I'm gonna leave that box. Like if you click on this, you can see the middle is right here, right where this thing is. This box. And the reason I did that was because of all this price action right here. We have another one right here too. Let's do this one. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any coins you want me to do, let me know. And then I drag it over. Man, look at this. This is just nuts. Joe, what are you talking about? What's nuts? How, like, this zone right here, it's, you know, getting rejected off of. We broke into it, broke down. We're getting rejected. So this is what I like to do. I like to just find like little areas like this. And what I mean by this is where price went down, up, down, up. So it's a lot of support resistance right here. And with the prices underneath it, well, we're having a hard time break above it. Right now we're above the PLC. West in the house saying Happy New Year, everybody. Yeah, it's definitely Happy New Year, guys. You guys are the best. Absolute best. So this is our range we're trading in. Is our range. And let's go and do the midline. Midline. So this is the midline of our range. And you can see, like, if we zoom in to the midline of the range, it came up, came down, then broke through, came down, rejected. But what my saying kind of still stands. The more lines you have, the more boxes, when you're going to find support resistance somewhere. But to me, it doesn't look strong. Could we go and blast off? Sure, we can do whatever. Could we come down, break this level, come all the way down here to the value area low? Definitely. You know, there's a lot of liquidations down here at 86. And this is just under 86. So it just, let's see here. Shep says, nuttier than a score. Yeah, very true. Very true. But it doesn't look strong. It was looking strong. Came down, came up, came down, came up. This is when it started losing its strength. It came all the way down. And this is the market maker saying, give me your money. Then it went up, came down. This is okay. A little bit lower than I would like, but this is still okay. Came up, came down, came up, good. Now let's go. Nope, came back down. Oof, not looking good. Because what it's doing, so whenever I say not looking good, if you use the fib retracement, you want to see the pullback from a low to a high, about 38%, 50%. And here, nice, 38, 50%. And then it comes back to take 100% of this move. Not good. Then it comes up, and then it breaks down again, liquidating people. Let's see here. I wish Bitcoin would just hit 65K, then blast off. Let's go. Let's go. Dang, can you imagine? It goes 65K, liquidates a crap load of people. A lot of people give up, except for the ones that are dollar cost averaging, because I'm looking at buying at 65, 55, 45. And can you imagine though? Everybody's like, man, it's done, it's over, forget it. This thing took all my money. You know, spot is the best, and DCA is the best. But if you're doing leverage, only trade literally with money you can afford to lose. Let's say your stop loss doesn't hit and you have 10 grand in the trade. Can you lose that 10 grand? You know, again, only trade with money you can lose. Let's say your stop loss is 100 or 200 or whatever it is, and your stop gets skipped and you're not monitoring it and it goes lower. Like, oh crap. So just be careful. Mark Dutch says, Happy New Year from the Netherlands. What's up, Mark? Appreciate you, man. I was thinking about you earlier today, because I was like, man, I'm gonna get on my treadmill, but I'm not gonna go fast because I don't want to sweat. But last time I was on the treadmill for, I think like 2.5 hours, 3 hours. I said, man, I think I think the treadmill's smoking, it's burning. And you said it was my pants rubbing together, or my workout seat rubbing together. I was thinking about that earlier. I was like, man, that's funny. Chef says, Happy New Year from my house. There you go. There you go. But yeah, Bitcoin, not looking good. Could it blast off and just surprise everybody? Sure. It's just liquidations, guys. Like just up, down, up, down. And so these are just scalp trades. Now, if I wanted to scalp, nope. If I wanted to scalp, nope. If I want to, oh man, my computer's gonna mess up. My computer's gonna mess up. Dang it. Hopefully we'll see. We'll see if it's gonna mess up or not. All right. So let's see if I wanted to do a scalp trade on the 3-minute time frame. I like having my cheat sheet, my 9, my 50, my 30. So the white line is my 9 SMA, 30 is the orange, my VWAP is the blue. Right now, it's kind of iffy. I like this pullback that we had and this breakout. We did retest, but we just retested like this zone. Coming up. Let me show you what I'm looking at. So it broke this level and it's actually retesting it. So what I don't want to do is and I'll take the trade. I'm gonna get in this trade. I might get stopped out. But my stop loss is gonna be, I'll do it under here. And for me, I'm gonna do 75x leverage. Yeah, that's what I do. And I'm gonna have a lower entry as well. That's my stop loss. So I'm actually gonna enter this trade just in case it comes back down to the VWAP with my lower entry. And I'm gonna do 70. If you want to take the trade with me, great. I would not recommend 75x, maybe 30. I'm trading with very little money. So let me go ahead and put in this trade. Let's go copy. I make it big so I can see it. So this is in here. Copy. So again, I am going to take this trade. Now, granted, I give you all plenty of heads up because I know there's a 30-second delay, sometimes longer, sometimes only 10 seconds. But I don't say, okay, I got in the trade, I got out. I won $7,000. Like what? Oh, this goes blue. Okay. So I'm going to enter right now, and I'm going to have my stop loss and lower entry. So blue is for that. Okay, so let me find my camera. Joe, you just want to get off your treadmill. Calm down, calm down. Okay. One moment, let me go to my other computer. Okay, 87,760 stop loss. Gonna be a long. Hopefully y'all can still hear me. Bitcoin Stop loss 87,760. What happened to my computer? It froze. Oh wow. Okay. 87,760. Okay. Long, gonna enter. Oh, I need to put amount. Okay. So I'm gonna enter it. Okay. So I just entered it. Wait for it. Wait for it. On the other computer. Yeah, I believe this is it. Oh no, this is back testing. It's on default. Okay, 1 second. Macro, heavy, default. Okay. So just to show you that I'm in it. Okay, I think y'all can see that. I'm gonna do my lower entry. 87,859. 87,859. Stop loss is the same. 87,760. Okay. So I'm in the trade. I'm back over here. Oh, y'all didn't even see the thing. Let me see. Let me get back on. There we are. Let's see here. Let's see here. Need more love in this world. That's why all you guys are awesome. Yes, I agree. I concur. 100%. Somebody told Joe he's putting that to order in his microwave. Treadmill is still running. That's cheating. So where's my, I think it saved it. Let's go 1 hour there. So this is what I just did right now. So I entered at that, it was going down and I entered. So let's go to the 3-minute time frame again. So again, just to show you that I am in the trade. I don't know where it went. Let's go 1 hour. It's copy it. Copy. Go 3-minute. Over here. And let's just look at the trade. Look at the trade. And then I'll put the blue line where I actually entered, which is probably somewhere down here. I don't even know. So this is my entry. And then I have my lower entry right here. And then my stop loss right here. We'll see. So we get a Christmas miracle. Joe, Christmas passed already. Oh, never mind. So this was 80. Oh, not 90. 87,924. This is, whoa, man, it dropped a lot from when I went in. So this is where I entered. If you entered here, just know that we had a lower entry, and hopefully we get our lower entry, but we'll see. But and then what I like doing is I like laddering in. So I'll have one entry here, and then I have a lower one here, and then just in case it pulls back, it's fine. I get my lower entry, and if it pulls back and my lower entry hits, and then I get stopped out, well then I lost only what I was prepared to lose based on my stop loss. Stop loss is like really, really important. I turn my treadmill on for hours and sit next to it and drink a beer for the win. Shep, for the win. That's funny. That's funny. We got Spy in the house. What's up, Spy? Spy is watching us on Twitch. If you had $1,000, what crypto would you buy within the next week, no matter what? I think B&B is always going to do well. It can have its pullbacks, it can do whatever, but I think B&B is always going to do well. Now, is this SPY, hypothetically speaking, is this for a trade, hold for a week, hold for a month, hold for a year, hold for next bull run? I really do like B&B long-term play because it can and it has done very, very well. CZ is the owner of Binance. I think he's still the owner. He is not gonna let Solana take over the show. And if Solana does take over the show, he's gonna do something to get the power back. Same thing with everything else. He's very, very smart when it comes to that. So I think B&B is one that I would long-term, yeah, B&B. For me, that's a definite B&B. Let's see here. Never mind. I don't own a treadmill because I have no money. Because I bought altcoins. Yeah. Man, I have oh man. Today, I have to. After this stream, because today's the last day. Today, I have to go to MEXC and take out all my money. Crap. Oh, I forgot about that. I've been putting it off. And today's like literally 2 hours left before I can do it because I still have my ID. Let's see here. That's funny. See here. Long term, yeah. Long term, my B&B. B&B for the win, in my opinion. See here. I'm on a carb-only diet. Let's go. I only do Airbnb. Get your money out, Joe. Yeah, I need to. I forgot about it. And I keep on forgetting about it. I keep on putting it off. And I was going to do it, on my day off. I was going to do it on the weekend. I was going to do it whenever. I was going to do it after the show. And now, literally 2 hours. Because my ID is still good. Until the next day. And for them, it might be the next day. So I don't know if I can still do it. Oh, well. But I'm going to try, though. I got money on there. And it sucks, though, man, because I never, sold or nothing like that because I was holding them. I was holding for the pump. That never happened. And, I was watching a lot of people. I was in some paid groups. It was like, 20x, 50x, whatever. This was back in 2024 when everything was going. It's like, yeah, man, like we're going to kill it. And I held on to some of them and it's like, dang it. So let's just say simple math. If I put 1,000 in, it's value now $30, maybe. So it's like, I just let it go to zero. But that's just me though. I'm doing a seafood diet today only. Yeah, buddy. Today, oh man, I bought what did I buy? I bought I don't even know what I bought. But it was like crazy cheap. $1.35 a pound. And so it was like $30, $32, something like that. I think it's a rump roast or something. I don't even know what it was, but it's a lot of food, like a lot. I'm gonna put in my Instapot and have it kind of like pulled pork or like shredded meat. It's gonna be so good. My buddy, my neighbor, he messaged me. He's like, "Hey Joe, what are you doing? What are you doing tomorrow?" I said, I'm gonna be cooking me this, unless you want to cook, put on the grill, chop it up to steaks or something. I was like, oh, that'll take like 6 hours to smoke. I said, no, man, just chop it up into steaks. Really? So I don't know. I might go over there. Oysters, mussels, lobster. Let's go. Yum, yum. Now, we sold a lot of oysters today. 75 bushels. Each bushel was 50 pounds. We sold 75 of them today. Crazy. And all of them went. See here. Oops. Shep says, I've been hooking logs past few days, so I've lost lots of exercise in the mountains. Very nice. And yes, Dutch. I love you guys. It could include seafood, but I'm talking. I'm on whatever going to. Yes. I'm hungry too. I don't like eating this late at night. I barely ate today. We were so freaking busy. Joe ordered canned dog food. No. Gross. See here. See, see here. Yeah, I'm hungry though. And it's funny too, because since I don't cook, I told my buddy, he's like, yeah, man, I got this big old, like this much. Can you see my hands? Like this much. It's like that much. Just a big old piece of meat. And I said, I'm gonna cut into, pieces so I can put in the Instant Pot, and then the rest I'll probably cook it like fried, like a steak or something. I don't know if I have a knife to do it though, since I don't cook. I moved. I have one knife. It's like a butcher knife, I guess. I'm pretty sure that'll cut through it. We'll see. We'll see. Shep. So we'll see how that goes. Let's see here. Market makers, what you gonna do? What you gonna do, market makers? But yeah, so we got about 10 more minutes. Then I'm hungry though. But I know if that meat is so big that I don't want to open the package just to cut some of it so I probably could. I don't know. I don't know how to cut the meat. I don't know anything. I'm an old man. I don't know how to do any of that stuff. Somebody asked me, a customer, they said, what do you know about steaks? I was like, and I'm thinking, man, I'm the worst person to ask, like literally. I said, well, I know that if it's cooked very well, I not only tip the waitress, but I tip the cook. Because I don't know nothing. And the customer was there, said, oh yeah, ribeye, this and that, and blah, blah, and this and that. So, oh, thank you. Thank you for the save. Man, them ribeyes I had, so good, dude. So crazy amazing. But I was gonna buy a rump roast again, but the rump roast was like $15, and then this, because they have a special right now, it was $1.39, I think, a pound, or 35. It was like $30. It was like, man, I could have a lot of food with this. So I got that. I see my buddy cook some of it. I don't know. Take all your money. It's all about altcoins. She can't leave now. Now she got to go for the long haul. Like, I got you for 4 more years. Yes, very true. Very, very true. Let's see here. So why did we enter this trade? We entered this trade because it broke this level. It broke this level. And it not only did it already break it, but it retraced. And this I like. Then it broke out again. Kind of pulling back here. Coming back. If we pull back, I'm looking for a pullback right around here. So right now it's potentially coming down. Let's see if we get our lower entry hit. If so, great. We don't want this level to break. If it breaks, well, then we get stopped out. And that's what happens. So we'll see. We shall see. I'm kind of afraid going on next C and seeing all my money is either gone or all my money is like worth nothing. Let's just say, for example, just simple math. Let's just add 10,000 in there. And then I go and I look at it and it's like $200. It's like, oh, are you kidding me? We'll see. I haven't looked at MixC in like, I want to say a year. And every month I get an email saying that they're charging me $10. I guess because I'm not using their thing. But I never click on the email because I don't click on stuff. And I haven't logged into MixC. So I'm going to log in and I'm going to see potentially, we've been charging you $10 for inactivity. Why would you? That doesn't make sense. Why would they charge $10? It doesn't make sense. So I never clicked on the thing. But yeah. See, drinking a Coors Light. Let's go. Oh, I was talking to my cousin this morning. My cousin's like, yeah, man, I got wasted and I don't know what happened to $3,000. I was like, what do you mean you don't know what happened? Because I know I spent it, but I don't know on what or who or where or what. Like, I was so hammered. I was like, man. So I remember them days, you know, going and spending money like crazy. Like, yo, Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's. Cheers. Oh yeah, let me drink some water. I haven't drank a lot of water today, like any water, really. But I am happy I'm getting my steps in. I know the audio sucks. But you guys are the best. You guys are the best. Sorry Heart says, I'm wasted. Yeah, buddy. Let's go. Party time. Here we go. Lower entry's gonna hit. Let's go. Hopefully it hits and goes up. I've had it to where another beverage. I did notice right before I stopped drinking, I did notice like before, man, I would party all freaking night, stay up the whole nine. The next day, you know, I'm doing what I normally do. Like people would think that I was, you know, doing stuff to be able to do that. No, natural doing it. Then I noticed right before I stopped drinking, like I'd go out and have a great time. And I wouldn't wake up until like 4 in the afternoon, 2 in the afternoon. It was like, what the heck? Where'd the whole day go? Like I literally wasted the day. Yeah. Walk faster, Joe. The stream is lagging. Oh no. Oh no. I'm probably stepping on the cord. We'll see. So our lower entry did hit. Now let's see if we go up. Come on. I'm wishing upon a star. Let's go. Let's go. We got 5 minutes. We're doing only 1 on the speed. I know, boring. We've walked 52 minutes. 52 minutes. We've only gone 0.87 miles. Boring. David says, was on 2X. Joe was cruising fast. Let's go. Ah. That's funny. David's like, yeah, man, Joe's on the treadmill. He's like, just talking real fast. Let's go. Let's do it. And thank you guys for smashing the like. You guys are the absolute best. We have 2 hours before the new year. 2 hours. I'm in Eastern time. 2 hours. Yep, another year, guys. Another year. And I wish everybody success, wealth, health, most importantly, health, happiness, success at your workplace, in your relationship, just everything. You know, I just want good for people. That's it. That's my wish upon a star. Shep says, Joe, I'm short, but I will hopefully lose my money and you win. Hey, that's, dude, like, hopefully you win too. Let's see. But yeah, that's one thing I do as well. Like somebody's gonna go in, I was like, why would you go long? Like I'm gonna go short. I see something else, and then just see who wins. Nothing wrong with that. That'd be awesome if we both win. I'm in Idaho, mountain time. It's only 8. Boring. I'm in overpriced California. Very nice. Very nice. That's where all the gold diggers are at. A lot of hot girls being gold diggers. It's funny. To be an attractive female is probably like the best thing ever. Everybody always open the door for you, trying to buy you drinks and dinners and whatever. Being an unattractive woman sucks because nobody does anything for you. And that's how men are. That's the feeling that unattractive women have. That's how men feel. They're like, nobody talks to us unless we got money, you know, or really good looking. So yeah, it's funny. I'm in overpriced Europe. 4 hours ahead, Joe. Well, Happy New Year then. Happy New Year. I know I'm trying to kick one out. 6 hours. 6 hours. There you go. Here. Oh no, I ain't no sugar at all here in. Oh no, I ain't no sugar. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see what the future brings us, man. I can't believe it. A year has passed already. Oh my gosh. And it's funny. Sometimes I'll look at, I don't really go on Facebook anymore, but say every once in a blue moon, I go on Facebook and I'll look at, you know, some pictures of when I was working as a nurse and we had parties and everything else. I was like, man, it feels like an eternity ago. And it wasn't that long ago. Chip says, my only advice for the new year, be the best human you can be. Help people when they need it. And tell your family, spouse, friends you love them. God bless everyone. Amen. I concur. I agree. Yes. Don't tell anyone else, but at 4 a.m., Bitcoin will be at 87.9. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see here. Wes says, Joe, I have a question or a statement. You ain't got no chicken wings. I ain't got no chicken wings. I ain't got no chicken wings. Man, I had another person today ask me, what did they ask me? They asked me something, but the same, like, people don't like speak English. Like they basically asked me the same thing like that, but with something else. And I said, I'm like, I don't, are you saying that there are none? Or are you saying that you looked and you can't find them? Or are you asking me if we have them? I don't know what they're talking. I don't know their language. And she tells me like, oh, okay, well, let's go look. Oh, here they are. I was like, Shep says, love that song, by the way. Yeah, I like it. I love it. It's a good song. And then it puts in crypto and trading. Good song. What's going on, man? We pump, come down. We pump, we come down. We pump, we come down. What's going on here? It's getting crazy. It's getting really crazy. All right, so it's 10 o'clock. Let's see if Lunar Beaches is on. Going here to this. Let's go to this. Oh, we're dropping people. Like, Joe, it's 10 o'clock. I'm out of here. Go here. Redirect. Here. We got a bunch of New Year's Eve parties going on. Okay. Jeez, okay, we get it. New Year's, we get it. Good Lord. Like CNBC, I got it, man. We can go over here. Space City Breaks. I like these guys. Jimbo is there. He's part of the Billy Goat Tales. So we can go over there and, you know, just smash the like if you could, and say Trade Intuition Raid. I'd appreciate it. Trade Intuition Raid. He doesn't know me by TI or TI Joe or nothing like that. Just Trade Intuition Raid. Let's just go over there, smash the like. Hopefully you can stick around. If not, you know, just smash the like and then just say Trade Intuition Raid. Oh, we're coming down. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. And we will see you in the new year. Tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. We'll see if I do a bonus stream. I might go to my friends, see if we can cook up this stuff that I made or that I bought. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, as always, let's make this money. Take care, guys. Trade Intuition Raid. Trade Intuition Raid. Thank you so much. See you soon. Take care.